Beverage. Beverage. Any type of drink, such as water, juice, tea, coffee, or soda. There are many kinds of beverages in the party. There are many kinds of beverages in the party. Wage. Wage. The money a person earns for work, usually paid daily or weekly. I earn $75 a weekly wage. I earn $75 a weekly wage. Mishap. Mishap. A small accident or mistake that causes trouble but is not very serious. We met with a slight mishap on the way, but nobody was hurt. We met with a slight mishap on the way, but nobody was hurt. Abode. Abode. A place where someone lives, like a house or home. They established their permanent abode here. They established their permanent abode here. Foe. Foe. An enemy or opponent. He is a formidable foe of me. He is a formidable foe of me. Breeze. Breeze. A light and gentle wind. The leaves are flying in the breeze. The leaves are flying in the breeze. Hamlet. Hamlet. A small village or settlement, especially in British. I lives a small hamlet in Britain. I lives a small hamlet in Britain. Pain. Pain. A single sheet of glass in a window or door. The rain had been drumming on our window pane all night. The rain had been drumming on our window pane all night. Companion. Companion. A person or animal that spends time with someone and provides company, support, or friendship. His dog is his best companion. His dog is his best companion. Sentence. Sentence. A punishment given by a judge in a court. He was given a jail sentence. He was given a jail sentence. Hue. Hue. A color or a shade of a color. Here is a garden with flowers of every hue. Here is a garden with flowers of every hue. Flame. Flame. The bright, hot part of fire. They tried to put out the fire, but the flames grew higher. They tried to put out the fire, but the flames grew higher. Slumber. Slumber. To sleep, especially in a peaceful or deep way. I don't want to awake from a deep slumber. I don't want to awake from a deep slumber. Offspring. Offspring. A person's child or an animal's young ones. Parents always sacrifice their life for their offspring. Parents always sacrifice their life for their offspring. Agony. Agony. Extreme physical or mental pain or suffering. I screamed in agony after feeling pain. I screamed in agony after feeling pain. Mortgage. Mortgage. A loan that people take from a bank or lender to buy a house or property. I have paid off my mortgage today. I have paid off my mortgage today.